my YT homies, it's your girl Alethea coming back with another video. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Do the bankhead bounce. So as I said, it's your girl Alethea. You guys know who this is. Thank you. Let me put something up here to help with that coloring. I'm just gonna hold something in my hand because the white here is making the camera wash me out. So y'all just gonna have to deal with this for a minute while I do this intro and hold it up here like it's a parrot. But anyway, because I want y'all to see. I want y'all to see this gloriousness. This
pecan goldenness.
On a serious note, I did a look using my Juvia's Place Nubian 3 Coral palette. This is one of my favorite palettes from Juvia's Place. This look was inspired by Savannah Silver from Sumi. She put up a video yesterday with a blue and silver, and I just kind of wanted to do a pink / coral and silver, you know, remix on that, even though I still want to do the blue. But yeah, she was basically my inspiration for this look today, and it's quick and easy. So if you guys want to see if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please continue to watch. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing started. And as you can see, I've already done my brows. Now I'm just gonna take some concealer and put it on my lids to get my lids ready for the eyeshadow color. Y'all, I don't know for sure, but I think she is. I think my wife is in there on the phone with the HOA people, her HOA group. Y'all know how I feel about that. And if you're new here, if you know, you know, go back a couple of videos. And if you're new here and don't know why I go ahead and put the foundation right here in the middle, is because the concealer is because I do my eyes first, and to make sure that this part gets some foundation, some color, some product just like the rest, then I do this. Can y'all please tell me, I have a question. Can y'all please tell me why people get on and they say that they're doing a no foundation look, that they don't want foundation, that is too high for foundation, that, you know, whatever the case may be, but the look is a no foundation look, but yet they go and put like 3 and 4 different concealers on their face. You might as well have to put the foundation on. So now let's go ahead and get this thing zoomed in so y'all can get up close and personal and all up and through my business. And we're just gonna go ahead and put this in the crease, all over the crease of our lid, because like I said, this is our transition color. And with this look, I don't want to use too many colors. I want it to be kind of simple as I can get it. Now that we've gotten that color on, I'm going to go ahead and set my brow bone highlight just with my Charlotte Tilbury powder, because I don't want to put a shimmer up on this eye, on my eyes today. All right, let's darken up that crease a little bit. I'm gonna take the same brush that I used before, and I'm gonna use this color right here. I would like to darken the crease up just a bit, but not too much. And you want to start this down lower than the original color, because I don't want this to meet up with that color, so to speak. And then what I'm going to do is just go back into the other color, kind of like toggle between the two to make sure there are no demarcation lines. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a different brush, and this one is not real compact, it's still fluffy, but I'm going to see if this one's going to work, or I might have to get a compact brush. And I just want to put some of the same color here and dab it in the corner just to bring some emphasis to the corner of my eyes. And I'm just patting that down, and I'm not going all the way into the crease with this color. I don't know if I want to go in with this color or this color. Okay, they're very similar. This is the darker one, and this is the lighter one. I think I'm going to use the lighter one, and if I have to go in with the darker one, I can always do that. But what I'm going to do is just take my brush, I'm going to wipe it on a wet wipe, and then I'm going to get that color, and I'm just going to put it all over my lid. But now that I put this on, now I see where I need to go back and add color to my outer V and to my crease. And like I said, I did wet this brush with a wipe right here. Going back with that original crease color. I'm gonna go back in here to kind of tie all that together. A lot of times, most of the time, people don't show when they have to go back and add color to their looks, and you just think that what they show on camera is all they did. No ma'am, you gotta blend, you gotta go back and you gotta tweak this thing, you know what I mean? Let's go ahead and color correct. All right, y'all, so here I go with another one of these YSL samples. So let's see how this one does. Right here, not this one, this one. If it's too light, I'll add one of my other foundations to it. Yep, this one is too light, but I gotta even it out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of this NARS Macau with it. I never did get rid of this. I guess it's a good thing. See, Macau is still too dark, but blending it in with the YSL should give me the perfect color. At least I hope it does. And I forgot to spray my face. So I used that YSL the last time and using it again this time. I said the last time I used it, my face was too hydrated, but that foundation is definitely too hydrating for my skin. So I definitely won't be buying it. I just wanted to try the samples to see if it would be something that I would consider buying. And I know now that it's not, but I'm using it now and I gotta roll with it. Y'all, so let me tell y'all something about these Kylie products. They don't dry down really easily. They do not. This Kylie concealer, it doesn't dry down real good, but your girl is gonna use them. My face right now looks a greasy hot mess. And if it weren't for the fact of my timing, I'm not worried about wasting product, but if it wasn't for the fact of the time I have and the fact that I think my eyes look really cute, I would take all this off and go back and use some other products. Because even though I use, and then even with my foundation, even though I used my NARS and it is matte as matte can be, with that YSL being so hydrating and me using just a little bit of the NARS, the YSL, the hydration is like coming through on you, girl. It's coming through big time. I mean, I'm liking the way my face looks. Don't get me wrong, I'm liking the way my face looks, but girl, I just need some more dryness. I need some more mattification with it. Oh child, y'all, don't mess up right here. That's all you gotta do. Is if something like that happens, just take your brush and just don't put any more product on it and just take it and go over there and just fix it up. My face is almost looking like I have a filter on. I mean, I'm looking in this mirror and I'm loving what I'm seeing, but I don't love what I feel, if that makes sense. And then I hate the fact that I'm gonna have to wear my mask when I go to the doctor and have it on this foundation. because I may actually have to take this off before I leave, because I'm telling y'all, it's moving. The foundation and stuff is moving. Let me just go ahead and finish it. Let me just go ahead and finish my face and quit my whining and complaining. I'm going to use this color right here for my blush. I don't even know if I want to set my face with my spray. Y'all. Yep. That foundation is not one for me. It's that foundation definitely won't work for me. Nope. And I think, maybe if I set it, it'll help it. Let's go ahead and set it. Y'all, when I tell y'all, my face looks like a whole painted canvas or something. It looks so good. I'm talking about, it looks so good, but I'm just so scared I'm gonna melt this foundation off, right? I really do like these Kylie Jenner liquid lipsticks. I never thought that I would, but I actually do like them. And I think the ones that I chose are really good for my skin tone. But of course with brown liner, because I don't know, I haven't tried all of the liners that came with the lipstick sets I got. So now that that is done, let me go ahead and put everything together and come back and give you the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I forgot to say to my oldie but goodies, thank you guys so much for coming back. And if you, let me put this back up here. And if you are new here, thank you so much for coming to check out the channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. That's only 4 tasks that you need to do for your homework. Make sure you get your homework done, okay? Like, comment, subscribe, and share it across your social media sites. And I will be back with some more tutorials, videos, and all that kind of good jazz. So I'm gonna make it do what it do, right? So until the next time, and in between time, you ladies, did I say thank you? Yeah, I did. You ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? This is the wrong hand. Catch you on the flip side.